Hello everyone, Kardom ni Limen Samiru Pali Timungpi.
And my name is Bijoy Timung.
Pinini litum hipudam si kubang kelahen lo. Ilitum karbia khe itum sitami paprangdun bomlo. Ilitum kiluna hin punon, kekana hin punon, sports hin punon, kacharlia hin punon, paprangdun bomlo. Lapan yes, every talent must be appreciated. Lapan isi talent na panjong si national level long, higher level long jong si itum cepak langon teglo polo tangti ilitum akhe pan isi kemisanang teglo. Lason si ilitum aik maratum, abong maratum. The Karbi Warriors pa isi dance group do alang itum Dance Plus pa isi dance reality show long alang itum audition sa tami cepak langon iglo. Kasi alang itum apan support no nang, help no nang. Alang itum audition video sa tami itum YouTube channel long sa mi thek ponong ji. So si thek ponong nilang polo tangte labang sa video through ni itum labang sa aling si tami nang share ikji. Kasi kado kabi sa tami alang itum pan support no nang, help no nang.
Yes, let's support them so that they can get further up in the competition, and also let's show them our love so that they can get more motivation and they can energize themselves so that they could compete more in the national level competition, such as competition like which they are auditioning for, the Dance Plus, and let's show them our love, support, because those are the people who will one day bring pride and honor for the people and of our land. So let's show them our love and shower them our love and show our support. So thank you.